Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add custom instruction to Claude AI projects. So head over here to the projects on the left hand sidebar, and now from here select your project. So let's go with that one. Alright, now you will see here on the right side instruction and files. So what is that means is that you can upload files and Claude will include them in every chat in this project. Also instruction here, so if we click on that, it will include in every chat that you make in this project. Alright, so for example, we can give him an instruction like this one, for example. Um, we can also add him something like that always provides a brief summary at the top of your response. And yeah, we can also add some suggestion marketing copy and so on like that. And we will hit save. And yeah, this is basically how we can put custom instruction in our project. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.